Look, guys, he's one emotion left. Oof, buddy's gonna get expelled from the school.
No, I won't.
Devin, please proceed to the main office.
Hey, you called me?
Yeah, we've decided since you have one emotion, you can't study here anymore. This place is too expensive for you. Devin, what's wrong?
Well, I only have one emotion left, so they kicked me out of school.
Are you serious?
Mom, you're the one that took $6 million from me yesterday to give to my brother. What do you want?
I just wanted to tell you, since I have all your emotions, the school invited me to take your place.
Good for you.
Guys, this is Devin. He was transferred from the elite school. What? That's the best school. Why is he here?
Because I'm broke.
Devin, why don't you have more emotions?
Well, I had $10 million, but my mother gave them to my brother.
Oof. Yo, I'm throwing a party tonight. Y'all invited. Where do you think you're going?
To a party?
No, you're not. You need to start earning new emotions for your brother so he can get into college. So, what do you think of the music?
It's alright.
Yo, how come students from the elite school rolled up? Damn, that girl's so bad. Oh my god, she's coming towards us. Hey, Devin.
What's up?
I just wanted to say that I always had emotions, but ever since my brother died, I didn't feel like showing them. So thank you for helping me.
What?